God will restore what you've lost. Believe it. In seasons of loss, it's easy to feel like what's gone is gone forever. But God is in the business of restoration. Joel 2:25 says, "I will repay you for the years the locusts have eaten." That means God will restore what has been lost, stolen, or broken in your life, often in ways greater than you can imagine. Restoration doesn't always look like we expect it to, but God knows how to bring beauty from ashes. What you've lost isn't beyond His reach. Trust that God is at work, and He will bring restoration and healing in His perfect way and timing. Amen.